Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Axios to get value from this URL. Yeah, let's start. Here first you need to install this Axios npm package. In my case I already installed. After that here I want to add use effect. Yeah, here I want to render only once, that's why I added this empty array. Inside this use effect use effect is imported here. Inside use effect I'm going to add Axios. Axios is also imported here. After that dot get, I'm going to get value from this URL. That's why I added get here and pass that URL and dot then here value and first I console this value. Okay, yeah, save this and go to browser, and I already running this project, and go to console and I refresh the screen. Here I got API response inside this data. Okay, I'm going to use this data. So here I'm going to create one state. This is val set val. This is use state. Initially it's empty. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. I'm going to pass this val. Sorry. Here value inside this data. Okay, so value dot data, and save this and copy this. After that here I want to create one map. Sorry, this is res. Okay, or anything. Here I'm going to create one div. Here I'm going to display this archive URL. Okay, res dot paste that name. Here we printed this URL. If I refresh the screen, value is not printed. Go to console. Here I got error. Oh, value.map is not a function. Oh, I need to change this empty string to array and save this. Now I think this is fine. If I refresh, yeah, still we got the data. Yeah, you can use Axios like this. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.